Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create account on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app on your device. Make sure you have already downloaded it. So here you can see login button and register. Simply tap on register button. Now here you can either create account with your phone or you can also create account with your email. For now, let me create my account with phone. So here select your country code. Here search your country name and then tap on search button. And here enter your phone number. Now tap on next button. Here tap on confirm in order to confirm are you human or not. Now here, select the image that are lying or sitting. Once you're done, tap on verify button. Now it will send confirmation code to your phone number. Go to message box and here copy the code and paste. Now paste here. Then tap on verify button. Now type in your name and then tap on next button. Now here type in your username. You need to create your new one. Now type in your new password. Once you're done, tap on next button. Now, enter your date of birth. Tap on confirm and now tap on create account. You can skip it or allow. You can allow, or if you don't want to allow, then you can simply tap on don't allow. So for now I'm skipping all this process. You can go for this process also, but for now I'm just skipping it. So you have successfully created account on Discord. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.